This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign legal documents. Properly executing a document is crucial, as your signature signifies your consent and agreement to its terms. Whether it's a simple mark, your initials, or your full name, the intent behind it makes it legally binding. Understanding this process helps avoid misunderstandings and potential legal issues down the road, ensuring your agreements are clear and enforceable for all parties involved. For a signature to be legally valid, several elements are essential. First, the signer must clearly intend to agree to the document's terms. Second, they must possess legal capacity, meaning they are typically over 18 years of age and of sound mind. Your signature should also be consistent across documents for easy verification. Remember, certain important documents, like wills or powers of attorney, often require one or two independent witnesses to be present during signing. Avoiding common mistakes is key to ensuring your documents remain valid. Always read the entire document, including the fine print, before you sign. Never leave any blank fields. If signing a physical document, ensure everyone uses the same color pen, typically blue or black ink, throughout the entire process. Crucially, never use whiteout or make unauthorized alterations, as this can invalidate the document and lead to significant legal complications. Electronic signatures have become widely accepted and are legally binding in many places, thanks to laws like the e-Sign Act in the United States. For an e-signature to be valid, there must be clear intent and consent from the signer to agree electronically. Secure platforms provide robust audit trails, including timestamps and encryption, to verify authenticity. However, it's important to note that certain documents, such as wills or some real estate transactions, might still require a traditional, handwritten signature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.